We're on the car walk today. We are at the Hot Rod Nationals out in Destin, Florida. And the first ride, we walk in the air condition, and guess what we see? We see Roddy's car. Look at that. Never enough, right? To start. Here we go. We're gonna do the walk now. Everybody get your popcorn out. There we go. Look at that. Bang. Look at that. That's like 8 foot of blowers right there. 5 blowers. Ever seen anything like that on a 63 Pro Street? All those walk-arounds will be coming, but we're just gonna walk down. There's just a little building to start in air condition, and it's hot outside. Look at this bad boy. Another one, triple blower, ugly hat. Wow, right? 57 resto, suicide doors. Look at this bad boy. That thing is absolutely gorgeous. All right, here we go. We got a 41 Willys with a big block blown Mopar motor. We got a Shelby with a Coyote. Look at this cool bug. Wow, 64 bug. Look at this old school. 55 210. Look at this truck. Pro Street, man. Pro Street. Big block. Got it out. Look at that. That's a classic. 76 Aspen. Look at this RS 68 Camaro with a 427 in there. Dang. Wow, look at this GTO paint. Holy smokes, convertible. Wow. What do you think of that? It's like an old school Gasser Falcon right there. Look at this. Got a Model A. Model A. T-bucket. 3 window. What is this? A 32? 32, 3 window. Purple. Prowler. Look at this gorgeous ride right here. Look at that bad boy. I think the top comes off. See, you can take the top off of this bad boy.
Okay. Put the thing on. Got it. Got to pull it out.
31. Look at that. A blown 32. Look at this custom ride delivery. Oh, creamsicle. Look at this truck. Flathead. Come on, man. This thing's cooler than anything. Look at this. You've never seen one of these. It's a 101, I'm pretty sure. It's a Model A truck. No such thing. Look at that. What is this, a 56? A 56. Gorgeous. Look at this. 66. Lemon twist. Look at that. GTO. Look at this GTO. Gorgeous. Black convertible. Wow. Look at this. Super nice paint. This Ford truck. Wow. Here's the Holy Grail. Get ready for that video. It's the Holy Grail. The Holy Grail. Prowler. All right. We're going to walk over to the next building. Keep your popcorn out. See you guys on the next Florida Car Show.